What is up, you guys? Retro Gamer here, back with another video, and today we're going to be continuing on part 2 with this Excel document. We're going to do a little bit of terminal commands here in order to change stuff around. So, and this can later be changed into buttons, but if it's a command right now, it'll be easier. So let's say I want to break this down. So if I typed in here A1, they're all A, 1 through 20, 21 through whatever, A1, or maybe A1, yeah, okay, I typed the same thing, equals A2 plus A3. So basically there, I want to set all those down. But now I have to figure out how to actually build that out. Okay. So, spaces are going to be important here. So, the file that this is going to take you to is going to be called terminalparse.php. I just don't know how I'm going to... Okay. So now we're going to make a new file. We're going to call it terminalparse.php. And in terminal parse, you'll write out the same things that I forgot before, such as start session, include your... Did I not include anything over here? You want to include that file that you, whatever. Blah blah blah, makes a table, hit submit. Now here's where things get interesting. So, first of all, if they hit submit without anything in it, it should say something. So if is set submit, I don't know what's wrong there actually. Oh, post. I did that wrong too. Copy and paste, guys. It's the most important thing you'll ever do in programming. If it's set post submit, if post submit equals, or no, if post term equals nothing, then just exit to your header location, in which case mine is index. Now, if I hit submit over here, right back to here. So now we need to do something else. So now we need to look for stuff. And I'm sorry about my face, guys. So if it does not equal that, so now we're going to put a while loop. While whatever. So I want to find the length of terminal. So $term equals post of term. Okay. So now I want to find the length, and I think you just type in .length. Or maybe it's like length parenthesis strlen. So something like that. So while, and then we'll say x equals 0. And we'll just say while x is less than term length, do this. X equals x plus 1. So, what's it going to be looking for? So it's going to be going through a of 0. So basically somewhere I'm saying term of x. I don't know where that's going yet, but that's going to equal something. Maybe maybe we have two variables. So var 1 you know, if I just said set that equal to that, okay, so var 1 is going to equal that if at any time term x equals a, or equals space, then we're going to write a new variable. Ooh. I'm not getting the value out of that though. Term is the post term. But that's not right. No, something's wrong here. I need to be able to read these individual tables. Okay. So the way that I see it now is I have to take everything from here and move it down to here. Okay. That should solve everything. because now I can say keep going until you see a space. If it's a number, so it'll be really basic at first. So if it equals space, then we'll say if term if it equals a plus and then 4 or minus or multiplication sign, division sign, or an equal sign. Do plus or minus a division or a multiplication sign or an equal sign. Damn, this is confusing. If it equals a plus or minus, then we're going to take okay, maybe doing this was a terrible idea because I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Pause. Okay guys, so I need to figure out how to do a do while loop. And it's just what I expected. So right here, we're going to say do while x does not equal a space. Okay. Just keep adding that to bar 1. And then, before we leave, after that while loop, echo var 1. Let's try that. So right now I'm going to type a bunch of nonsense. Var 1 equals 0. No, var 1 is going to equal that. Line 14. We do this. If term x at any point does not equal a, then just leave. Let's see if that does anything. Okay, now we're going to type in A1. A. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. Damn, use Google Sheets already. No, I'll see you guys in the next video.